Hi everyone, it is Sunday and I'm kicking off my outfit for the day. It's a beautiful, sunshiny, crisp fall day out there. My husband is blowing leaves out there, probably the last time he'll be able to blow for the season, so you might hear that in the background. Got up this morning, cleaned up after the bunny, gave him his breakfast, changed my sheets, went to the gym. It was a doozy today. Came home, showered, finished up on my laundry, and my husband wanted to go out to our diner, and went out to the diner, had my nice big salad, came home, had some ice cream, and I'm catching up on YouTube now, and that's what I'm doing. I'm kind of taking it easy today. That workout kind of knocked it out of me. So what am I wearing today? So this entire outfit's from Loft. The sweater is just a basic ivory ribbed turtleneck. I'll come a little bit closer so you can see it. Nothing really exciting about it. With it, I have paired this scarf that is kind of like a floral type of paisley pattern. Come closer so you can see the pattern. And with it, I have paired my also Loft faux leather pants that are, I would call this color cognac or maybe even nutmeg. And with it, I have paired my Sanctuary little slip-on shoes. And this is my outfit for today. Take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hi everybody, it is Monday. Took a day off from the gym today, lazed around in bed, had my breakfast, took a shower, and here I am. So today I'm going very classic a look. I'm doing a camel blazer that I've had since 2018. It's from J. Crew. Let me know if it's dated, but I think it's just a plain old classic to me. I paired it with this scarf that I got from Amazon. It does have 20% cashmere in it, and I think it's at 30% viscose, so it is nice and soft. They don't say what the rest of it's made out of. My assumption is polyester. It's hand washed, dry clean only, but it is, I think, a cute scarf, and I like this plaid. Again, to me, I know this is like a Burberry, I guess it is, but to me, this is just like a classic kind of plaid. With it, I paired my dark wash, Just Black jeans, or Just USA, don't know which one, that I got from a fashion box. And I have on my Anne Klein Chanel inspired shoes. And this is my outfit for today. Take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hi everybody, it is Tuesday before Thanksgiving and I am working this week, but apparently I'm the only one in my office working. Pretty much everybody I know took vacation off this week, so it's a pretty quiet week for me. My daughter's supposed to come home from college today. She takes a bus back and we're actually allowing her to bring back her car this weekend. So at some point today I have to run out and pick her up at the bus stop, but that won't be till much later this afternoon. Because we're starting to approach the holiday season, I chose this particular outfit to wear. I'll start with the top. First is like a sleeveless top from 41 Hawthorne. It has a cute little bow here in the back, which is kind of covered up here with my jacket. It has like a built-in cami and it's that surplice style. This is by 41 Hawthorne. It floats around quite a bit in Stitch Fix's inventory in various colors and prints. It runs quite large. This is an extra small and it's actually very large on me. So I did a front tuck on it because it would literally come down to here otherwise. I paired it with my Steve Madden velvet blazer. I'll come a little closer so you can see that it's velvet, that I got from Freestyle last year. It's, yeah, cute little item. And I decided to pair it with my bling jeans from White House Black Market to get festive and into the holiday season. And I have on my black Jessica Simpson mules. You wouldn't know they're a mule because the pants are long and covering them, but they're just a slide on. And that makes my life easier from working from home because if I want to take my shoes off at my desk, it's pretty easy to do. And this is my outfit for today. Take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hi everybody, it is Wednesday before Thanksgiving and what a crazy day I had so far. Went to the gym, worked out very hard, came home, showered, went to my nutritionist because they're not going to be open this weekend. I usually go on Fridays. Then I ran to the grocery store to pick up a couple things I need because we're going to Thanksgiving and I needed to make something for that. And then from there, I grabbed my crumble cookies for the week and scarf down to them. So now I got a tummy ache. Yeah, I know that was not too bright, Carolyn, but I can't help myself. They're so good. So what am I wearing? I decided to pull out this blouse because this is a very, very fall-like blouse. It's years old, literally 2018. One of the first things I purchased when I lost the weight. It is a dark, dark plum or purple. And I love the fall colors on here. There's some lavender and there's some mustard and there's some burgundy and burnt orange. Some white over here, and I guess that lime green a teeny bit. I love the colors of this. It's floral. I know florals, especially these larger print florals, are not on trend, but I do like this blouse still. The only thing I'm not thrilled with is this surplice style. I'm kind of over that, but I still like the print of the blouse. I got it at Nordstrom, circa 2018. It's from Madewell. So if you want to search the rethrifting boards, be my guest. Underneath, I have a lavender cami from God knows how many years ago. I think it's New York and Company, probably 20 years ago already. And with it, I'm wearing my can jeans that I got from a Stitch Fix. They advertise these as a skinny, but I would really refer to these as more as a slim straight because they're not skin tight around my calves or my ankle. And because I was lazy, I threw on my black mules again. And this is my outfit for today. Take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hi everybody, it is Thanksgiving, and what am I doing today? No gym for me today, even though they are open. I slept a little later. We are going in a bit to some family members' restaurant. They have the restaurant closed for the day and everybody brings something, so I got up earlier and I started making some appetizers to bring. And then we met my sister out at our local diner for breakfast because she's not joining us today. And then we are going to be heading up to the restaurant in like about an hour. So I decided to wear this outfit again. You guys seen this outfit before. The plaid pants I got from Nordstrom. They're by Liverpool. They're a pull-on style, so nice and stretchy for Thanksgiving. I paired it with my black loafers and my burnt orange Mia back detailed sweater. And yeah, the burnt orange matches the pants perfectly. And this is my outfit for today. Happy Thanksgiving, and take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hi everybody, it is Friday, Black Friday. I hope everybody had a happy Thanksgiving. We spent some time with some family. It was nice. Got home around 5:45 though, because it was like a daytime event. So that was good. Got some good sleep last night. Went to the gym this morning. Came home, had my breakfast, and my daughter's home from college. And I have great news. She got an internship with my friend at my friend's company that she works for the winter break. So what I had to do is I actually had to buy my daughter some clothes because her clothes are not appropriate to wear to office. My daughter is 19 years old. She's a sophomore in college. And her idea is nice attire is a pair of big baggy jeans and an old sweatshirt. So needless to say, that doesn't fly to an office. So I forced her to go to Loft. I ended up getting 2 pairs of bootleg jeans for her that I have to say fit her very nicely. I'm like, Alyssa, those look really nice on you. And she's like, you know, because she's used to wearing big baggy clothes, and she's like, they're tight on my legs. I'm like, they don't look tight. She said, I'm just not used to it because she's so used to that big baggy oversized look. And I got her 2 jeans. You are allowed to wear jeans in this office. They're clean. One's a medium wash, one's a dark wash. 2 different shades of blue sweaters, 2 pairs of dressier pants, and 1 burgundy button-up cardigan. So we're still on the hunt. She needs shoes. She doesn't have any shoes. She'll probably borrow one of my purses, and she needs like something nice, like a blouse. But she's so picky. She only wears solid. She won't wear anything with ruffles or ties or anything. Just plain, no lace, nothing itchy. And it needs to go under a blazer, you know, because I want her first day to look presentable, and there just wasn't anything in Loft. So I said, you know what, we can hold off for now. She starts when she comes back from college on December 18th. So she comes back, I think, on the 14th. So we have a little bit of time that weekend when she comes back to shop a little bit more. Plus, maybe she'll get some for Christmas. Who knows? Although this is not her idea of a fun gift. She doesn't like these clothes at all. But she realized it's a necessity. All right, enough about that. We went I blew close to 300 bucks on her there. Then we went to Target because she needed things at Target and I needed things at Target. Blew another 130 there. And I came home and I scrubbed my kitchen floor, but I only got like somewhere probably like maybe a quarter of my kitchen done. I did by the sink. I didn't do the whole table area, which is huge, but fortunately not as dirty. So I'm gonna do that tomorrow, and then on Sunday I'll do the foyer area. So it is a ton load of work, but I have to say what I did do looks gorgeous. So if I look a little disheveled, it's because I was sitting on my knees, yes, on my knees, and scrubbing my kitchen floor. So needless to say, my outfit is very casual today. I knew I was running around shopping with my daughter. We went to a shopping center. It isn't very trafficked, so it wasn't so crazy on Black Friday, and we were able to get pretty decent. Like I said, we got 4 pairs of pants and 3 sweaters, I think. So not bad, and a belt. All right, so what am I wearing? I'm wearing just a plain old white tank. I don't even know who this tank is from. I think I might have got it at the outlets a few years ago, maybe J. Crew. Over it, I have paired a Nordstrom Rack Chambray shirt. It's one of their own brands. Don't remember which one it is. Maybe Treasure and Bond, not sure. And over that, I have a very old White House Black Market field jacket. And I'm wearing my faux leather Spanx Moto style legging. Like I said, we were running around. I wanted to be comfortable, wore it with my Gola sneakers. And yeah, this is my outfit for today. Take care and see you tomorrow for the final day of styling. Hi everybody, it is Saturday of Thanksgiving weekend. This is my last outfit of the day until I kick off tomorrow's new week. What did I do today? I went to a strength class at my gym. It's a little bit less intense than running on the treadmill, in my opinion. Don't get me wrong, I still huff and I puff and I'm lifting heavy weights, but there's nothing like running, 2.5 miles if in a normal class in comparison. So I came home and I felt really ambitious, so I finished cleaning my kitchen floor. So that means me being down on my hands and knees with vinegar and baking soda and a handheld steamer with a long nozzle to steam the grout clean. My floor looks brand new. You can get one of these steamers on Amazon. I highly recommend it. It cleans, you wouldn't believe how my grout looks in comparison to what it was. So the kitchen is finally done. I still have to do the foyer. I'll wait for that tomorrow. And then after that, I ran to the post office, came home, showered and dressed, and here I am. So I am wearing, again, people say cowl necks are out, but I'm wearing a cowl neck, oh well. And it's like a tunic length sweater from Loft. But again, tunics aren't in style. But I'm wearing them with a pair of Liverpool leggings. Now these leggings are interesting. So they're not completely black. They're black with like a gold brown or like let's say bronze thread going through them in a checkered type of style. Very, very, very subtle. They're actually got a button and zip closure, which I think is kind of weird for a legging. And I wouldn't consider these ponte knit. I would not think they're as thick as a ponte knit. And of course, since they're legging, they're a skinny style. And I paired them with my Chanel shoes. What am I doing the rest of the day? Well, I'm gonna get this video published for you guys. At some point I have to run over to the dry cleaners closer to closing because that's when my sweater will be ready. And maybe I'll go food shopping. What an exciting day. Take care and see you next week for another week of styling.